Doing comparison in bash scripts. If you issue a command that looks like this in bash, and it has an expression here that does comparison, then a variable called $? will be set to either the value 0, the character 0, or the character 1. And I'm talking about $? Okay? When you have this kind of syntax for a Unix command that does comparison, you have to have a space to the left and to the right of the expression. By the way, 0 is for true and 1 is for false. It's the opposite of PHP. When you want to do string comparison, you would use these operators over here. And I'll talk about these two later on. On the other hand, when you want to do arithmetic comparison, you would use these ones. Ignore this stuff over here. That's just what they're equivalent to. You would use -LT-GT-LE. By the way, this is not a complete list. For example, there's less than or equal to. Okay, the ones down here are probably not a complete list either. Okay, let's look at an example. Alright, Mary Kay equals Jeffrey. Echo $? The answer is going to be 1 because it's false. There's also the logic operators and, or, and there's also not, which is just an exclamation mark. You also have -C and -N for testing whether a string is null or not. By the way, one topic which is quite confusing is the order in which things get evaluated. I found one article that says the AND does this side first, and then if that one is true, then it does this one, and the OR does this one first, and if it's true, then it does this one, and all kinds of stuff. Either way, though, if you have an expression like this, the AND portion is going to be evaluated after both the right and left side, these two statements are done being evaluated.